Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I will tell you how to make one working model on simple electricity circuit. So the material are required: one 9-volt battery, one battery connector or chipped, one motor, a plastic fan, a switch and one red wire. So let's start. For this we need one chipped. A black is known as negative and red positive. So we will connect a red wire in a small switch. Now connect the plastic fan with motor. Now connect black here and red here. But first switch off the switch, then connect another. Now fix this. You can use Fevicol, Fevikwik or glue gun for connecting. Now connect this with this 9-volt battery. This is negative and this is positive. Now you can see how it is working. So thank you and have a nice day ahead.